Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tommy Zamp and I play guitar and get the lead out. And in today's video, I wanted to share with you 5 easy Led Zeppelin guitar riffs that every guitar player should know. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so in no particular order, I'm just going to pick 5 songs that I think are pretty easy for every guitar player to play, whether you're a beginner, an intermediate player, or a total professional. Everyone can learn something from Led Zeppelin, in my opinion. So I wanted to start off with just these 5 songs, and right here is the riff off of Physical Graffiti. I love it when songs open up with just a guitar riff, and then the whole record opens up with this. You know it's going to be good, and it's Custard Pie. I love that riff. I don't even play that riff when we do that song live. I just play the guitar solo, but there's something about that when it kicks in, like it's just a raging tune. Anyway, check it out, learn it. That's definitely one on the list. Okay guys, so up next, in no particular order, I'm going to Zepp 2. Now this song starts off with this low, bluesy guitar riff happening. There's some harmonica coming in, kind of sets a vibe, sets a tone, and all of a sudden this guitar riff kicks in and it just sends it soaring through the roof. This is the riff from the song Bring It On Home. Check it out. So I don't know what it is about that song in particular, but I find it absolutely impossible to sit still, whether I'm listening to it or when we play it live. When I come out on stage with that riff, ba-da-ba-da-bum, I mean, it's just, everything gets amped up. So anyway, that's another one for your list. Go check it out. Alright guys, coming up next we have the opening track off of Zepp 3. This powerhouse song, you hear it in movies, you hear it on the radio. It's definitely one of their biggest hits, and the riff is actually not that difficult. So check it out. It's Immigrant Song. It goes like this. Okay guys, so the next 2 tracks are both off of Zepp 1. But I wanted to start off with this one because I love the sound and the feel that when this song starts off with just the bass and the drums, kind of gives it that eerie, haunting feeling. And then when the guitar comes in, it kind of like exemplifies that even further with the vibrato on the notes and how it's following the bass line. So anyway, I'm talking about Dazed and Confused, and it goes like this. And finally, guys, off of Zepp 1, one of my favorite tracks of all time. It's another track that opens up with just a guitar. There's something about that that really, I don't know, maybe as a guitar player I'm biased, but I dig it. And I'm talking about Communication Breakdown. Here's the riff. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I just wanted to do 5 easy Led Zeppelin riffs that I think every guitar player should know, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or professional. So let me know in the comments below if you thought I should have had another song on this list, or if I do another video, what songs I should include in it. So let me know again in the comments, hit that like and subscribe guys, it really helps me out, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Until then, be good to each other, and be good to yourself, and I will see you all in the next video.